Hi, hello friends. Today we will discuss about cloud jargons.
Cloud architect. Cloud architect. IT professionals charged with building and deploying strategies, plans, and applications relating to and within an organization's increasingly complex cloud technologies. Cloud architect. They typically report to senior-level staff, such as an IT director, while also fostering relationships with customers and working closely alongside other members of the technology team, including developers and DevOps engineers. It is a constantly evolving field, and the job requires someone who can keep up with the latest technologies and trends. What is cloud automation? Cloud automation. The term that refers to the tools and processes an organization utilizes to reduce the manual efforts linked to the provision and management of cloud computing workloads. Cloud automation. Automation seeks to make all cloud computing activities as efficient and fast as possible via the use of different software automation tools which are directly installed on the virtualization platform and controlled through an interactive interface. For most enterprises, cloud automation. Their cloud computing resources are too complex to manage and control in real time. As organizations continue to move their operations into the cloud, a role of cloud automation will become more crucial. Vembu Cloud Backup Solution. Cloud Backup Online Backup. The process of backing up data by sending a copy of the data to a remote, cloud-based server over a public or proprietary network. Get more from your Microsoft investment with CloudBridge Vertical Line Citrix. CloudBridge. CloudBridge refers to a secure IPsec VPN tunnel that connects two or more cloud environments to facilitate communication between them. It's commonly used to connect private infrastructure to a service provider's infrastructure, in order to power communication between private and public clouds. The consequent hybrid cloud environments allow users to leverage and benefit from both cloud types. Cloud browser. A cloud-based combination of a web browser app with a virtualized container that implements the idea of remote browser isolation. A cloud browser, located within a cloud platform's data center, essentially acts as a proxy between the target web server and a user. Cloud browser. An end user requests a page from the target server and processes the response. The only traffic getting back to the end user is a near real-time streamed image of the requested page, not the code itself. By placing the web browser in the cloud, it becomes more cost-effective, manageable, scalable, secure and centralized. Cloud browser. Cloud browsers are mostly used by security-sensitive organizations. In the United States, several law enforcement and government entities use authenticate provided browser isolation to secure their missions. as do multiple medium-sized and large companies in highly regulated industries. From analog to cloud cartography, the basic tasks of analog maps: visualize, analyze, store and their transformation into the cloud. From analog to cloud cartography, the basic tasks of analog maps: visualize, analyze, store and their transformation into the cloud. Cloud cartography. Cloud cartography refers to the act of figuring out the physical locations of hardware installations used by cloud computing vendors. The end goal of cloud cartography is to map the vendor's infrastructure and identify where a specific virtual machine (VM) is likely located. Cloud cartography. In theory, hackers can use cloud cartography techniques to find the location of virtual machines and then create what are referred to as side-channel attacks. A side-channel attack allows them to corrupt data or extract information on the target virtual machine. The attack exploits vulnerabilities in firmware or virtualization software. Support for autonomic cloudbursts in Comet Cloud. Vertical line download. Cloud bursting. Cloudburst. A quality of service metric used to gauge the scalability and performance of cloud applications within hosted cloud platforms. A positive cloudburst indicates that the cloud-based application is efficient and capable of managing application scalability. A negative cloudburst indicates an inability to handle a spike in demand